Hi, welcome to another podcast. I'm Nan Ross, and today's episode is proof that your thoughts create your reality using an energy experiment. Stay tuned. You're really gonna love this, for real, really.
No wire hangers! What's wire hangers doing in this closet when I told you no wire hangers ever?
So in one of my last videos, I think the previous 2 videos ago, I briefly talked about the book, The Kabbalion, which is the 12 Hermetic principle that governs our universe. And the principle that applies to this experiment that I'm going to show you today is the principle of vibration, which says that everything vibrates. Everything is in motion. So the table, the chairs, the rocks, even though you may not see it vibrate with your naked eye, but it actually vibrates. So that means that our thoughts and our emotion also vibrates at a certain frequency. Now, this principle of vibration is thousands of years old, and it came from the masters of the ancient Egypt. But now, modern science is endorsing this principle. So now in the book, e-sqaured, which is 9 do-it-yourself experiment, or 9 do-it-yourself energy experiment, that proves that your thoughts create your reality. And the author Pam Grout had mentioned that human beings we are not matter. We are made up of energy waves. And that energy waves creates a vibratory frequency. So there's an experiment I want to show you, which is experiment number 3, which is called the Albee-Einstein, that proves that your thoughts and feelings create the energy waves. Remember, energy cannot be destroyed. It can only be transformed or directed. So here are the instructions and tools that you need to perform this experiment for yourself at home. For this experiment, you need 2 wire hangers, 1 straw, and a pair of scissors. Untwist the neck of the hanger until you have 2 straight wires. Take the end of the wire hanger and shape them into a L, about 12 inches from the main part and 5 inches from the handle. Cut a plastic straw in half and slide the handle that you just bent inside of the straw and bend the bottom of the hanger to hold the straw in place. This is how it will look. So here is the hypothesis. If I am energy, I can direct energy. Let's test it out. So in this experiment, I'm going to use sound, thoughts, and feelings to create a vibrational frequency of this energy wave. Now this antennas, I'm gonna call it antennas, sorry. These antennas are going to pick up a message from my electromagnetic field that surrounds my body. And based on that message, the antennas are going to move. So, for example, if I recall an unpleasant thought, a negative thought with the emotions and with feelings, the energy is going to contract. So it's going to bring it in. So when I recall a positive emotion or positive thoughts, the antennas is going to expand. And expanded energy is higher vibration, faster frequency. Okay, I'm super excited, so let's begin. All right, so I'm just gonna say a series of negative words, and I'm going to do the best I can to feel the emotions with it, because I hate feeling that negative. But anyway, so let's see what message my electromagnetic fields give to this antenna. Okay? All right. I'm so sorry, it's all on the camera, but all right. Okay. So, all right. Okay. Hate. 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 Anger. 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 Hate. Hate. Okay, so you see the energy contract. Now, I'm so excited. Okay, now I'm excited. Okay, so now I'm going to recall. Now I'm going to recall some positive words with thoughts and emotions. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. I am blessed. Thank you. Thank you. Oh, it's pretty awesome. You see that? So, for this next experiment, I am going to focus on my right side. This little pretty statue over here. So I'm just gonna focus on the statue without moving my head. And let's see where the antenna goes, okay? Keep it neutral, and then keep it neutral. Okay. Okay, so I want to try it one more time, but focus on my left, the little bushy stuff. I don't know. Okay. Stay focused now. Stay focused. That's your proof. Your thoughts create your reality. So you are energy, and you can direct energy. So that's the first energy experiment I'm sharing with you that proves that your thoughts create your reality. Please, please give this experiment a try for yourself. Let me know your thoughts. Let me know how it went for you. Put it in the comment section. Until the next energy healing video. Namaste. Peace. Energy waves. We 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 energy waves.